Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a straightforward way to add columns to your Wix website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to structure your site with columns, making your content look organized, professional, and more engaging for your visitors. This is a really useful skill whether you're building a business website, a personal blog, or just want to freshen up the look of your pages. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix editor. We're going to start by adding new elements to your site. So on the left-hand side of your screen, look for the little plus icon that says Add Elements. Go ahead and give that a click. Now it might take a moment for all the different options to appear, but don't worry if things load a little slowly, that's totally normal. Next, find the section that's labeled Sections. Think of sections like building blocks for your website. They help you organize your content into neat, manageable areas. Click into Sections. You'll see a variety of section templates here, but for our purposes, just pick one that works for your layout. Drag and drop it onto your page or simply click to add it, whatever feels easier for you. Now, once you've got your new section sitting there, hover your mouse over it. This is where things get interesting. When you hover over the section, you'll notice some new options pop up, including something that says rows or columns. What Wix is doing here is giving you control over how that section is divided up visually, which makes it really simple to split your content across the page, like creating side-by-side columns. Go ahead and select Columns. Immediately, you'll see your section split up into two or more vertical areas. This is perfect if, for example, you want to put an image on one side and some text on the other, or maybe you have a list of features alongside a testimonial. The beauty of columns is that they make your site feel balanced and easy for visitors to scan. But maybe you don't have enough divisions yet. No problem, simply click Add Cell. This adds another column, giving you even more flexibility. You can add as many as you need, depending on how complex you want your layout to be. Each cell acts like a mini workspace, so you have full creative freedom within each one. Now for the fun part, customizing your columns. Within each column, you can add whatever you like: images, videos, text boxes, buttons, or even more advanced elements. Let's say you want to showcase team members in one column and their bios in the next. Or perhaps you'd love to display a product photo alongside some key details. Just drag in your chosen elements and arrange them however you like. Wix makes it super simple to adjust the width of each column so everything looks just right. And that's honestly all there is to it. Once you're happy with your new columns and have added your content, take a look in preview mode to make sure everything lines up the way you want. Don't worry if you need to make tweaks, it's all part of the process. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.